In this video, we'll walk through how to access, download, and edit your Rev transcripts. We'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your completed transcriptions. When your transcript is ready, you'll receive an email notification with a direct link. You can also log into your Rev workspace where all your completed transcripts are securely stored. One quick note. For users working with us under HIPAA compliance, remember that your transcripts are only accessible through your Rev account. For our different transcript types, we offer different download formats. For instant rough draft and human rough draft transcripts, you can download in Word or ASCII formats with customizable settings for character count, line count, and top sheet inclusion. Ready to certify transcripts are pre-formatted during production based on your selected template. These arrive as download-only documents correctly formatted according to standard templates. Let's focus on editing instant rough draft and human rough draft transcripts, as our built-in editor offers powerful features that you can use after you receive your transcript. The editor synchronizes text with audio or video, allowing you to click any word and jump to the corresponding audio section. You can easily modify speaker labels, add designations like Q&A or colloquy, insert parenthetical information, and use find and replace for consistent changes throughout. This makes it simple to make any necessary changes to your transcripts once you receive them, speeding up your team's workflow. Here's a breakdown of how to approach each of those things. Change speaker labels using the convenient drop-down menu. Our editor makes it easy to change all of the speaker labels at once. Use the Find and Replace function, Command F, to make consistent changes throughout your transcript. Easily designate each paragraph or monologue as Q, A, colloquy, byline, and other legal markups by editing the speaker label for each paragraph, or start a new paragraph by hitting Enter to designate it as a new type of dialogue. When you download your transcript as an ASCII or Word document, it will give you an array of legal formatting options that will automatically format your Q, A, and colloquy based on your specifications. And it's as easy as that to get your transcripts edited just the way you want them.